Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and like this video. If you aren't new, welcome back to another video with Kera Dior. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this 26-inch highlighted deep wave wig from AliDiamond. It is a company off of Amazon, and it's supposed to be 100% human hair, as they state. As far as the lace goes, it was pretty thin. It was easy to work with. Me personally, I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't have to. It still blended just fine. So if you want to bleach the knots, that's up to you. But me personally, I didn't have to. As far as shedding goes, I didn't see any shedding after I plucked and styled the wig. You know, over time, I didn't see any shedding. As you can see, the lace looks a little crazy right now, but you about to see how I slapped that makeup on and bam. You see how easy that blended with my skin? Like, I didn't have to do no effort with this wig. It didn't take much, so that's a plus. So now I'm just getting my same part together as I always do my side part. This is a 13x4 lace, I believe. It's either 13x4 or 13x6, but I'm pretty sure it's a 13x4. But I'll put the link in the description. And as you can see from the left and the right, that's how it looks once I apply the mousse. And this is how it looks brushed out on the right. So, only thing I can say is sometimes it didn't hold the mousse. Like, after a couple hours of being outside, the wig would kind of poof back up. So I can say be mindful of the products you use. To, I guess, weigh it down or put it back in this curly method. Maybe it was the type of mousse I used, or maybe it needed a different product, but this is the difference. All right. So let me stop before I fuck this up. So this is how it came out. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.